Welcome all my YouTube subscribers and viewers. I've gotten 3 requests to animate a single image to make it into an animated image. As you can see here, this tire is bouncing up and down. So what we're going to be creating today is this using a single image which I've created in Fireworks. Here's the image I've created. This is a still image, and I'm going to show you guys how to animate this here. So let's jump into your favorite text editor, whichever you choose. In my case, I'm using Brackets by Adobe because I like brackets. I'm going to change, let me just turn this up to 6 and I'll explain the code to you. So what we're doing, we create a simple div tag, and we give it an ID of tire. So in the CSS, we're targeting div tag called tire. The background URL is the image I create, as you can see up top. Now, the width of the image is 100 pixels wide by 100 pixels high. Reason being, the graphic I create is 600 pixels long by 100 pixels tall, but because there's 6 tires on it, we're going to do times 6, 100 times 6. So we're only telling it to show 100 pixels of that graphic at a time. So, and then down here we're setting an animation of bounce tire 0.6 seconds. So it's a little under a half a second to finish doing it to show the entire 6 images. So which is why it shows like it's bouncing in steps 6 because we have 6 images on it. So we are telling it go 100 times 6 basically. And infinite is telling the browser we want this to loop, continue looping over and over and over again. Don't stop. So the ball will bounce forever. This is the same code. We just put the WebKit property for browsers like Safari and Chrome because they haven't adapted standard standard features of CSS yet. So let's go ahead and animate this. Animate, sorry. I'm going to paste the code in because it's going to take too long to type it out. So let's paste the code in. So what we're doing here is we're targeting this tire bounce function. As you can see, the tire bounce is right here. And we're targeting the tire bounce function with the keyframes that comes in CSS, which tell the browser this is an animation, you're going to animate. So what we're doing, we're setting the background position to 0, meaning it's going to start at the first one. And then we do from 0 and then to minus 600 pixels, because remember I told you the width of that image is 600 pixels wide. So when we go negative 600, it's going to go from 0 to the left and then drag the image all the way to 600 pixels to the right, and then it's going to just loop and keep going and keep going and keep going over and over and over again. So I'm going to just shut this bouncing ball down. I'm going to go ahead and save this, and just to show you guys it work, and I'm just going to go in the folder that I have it in, and I'm going to double click on the file itself. It's going to open up in Firefox, and as you can see, it's bouncing. So that's how you create an animated image using sprite sheets rather than using GIFs or GIFs or whatever you want to call it to do this. And the difference is, by using GIF, you can't go back and modify your GIF really easily. You have to open it up in the image editing program and set it up, everything if you need to change the speed or anything. But with the CSS option, all you have to do is change a line of code, which you can see here, and the speed changes, you manipulate the size, everything can change just using CSS. So that's how you create that. Hope this helped you guys in your design work in the future. I'm out.